In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on microphone access for websites on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your browser and select your menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security, and then on the right underneath Privacy and Security, select Site Settings. Underneath Permissions, go down and select Microphone. And where it says sites can ask to use your microphone, just go ahead and make sure that one is selected there. And any websites that may have been blocked before, you can remove them from your block list. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.